Hey y'all, I just wanted to make a video to show you how to put your digital classroom in your Schoology. And I know there's other videos out there, but it seemed like I had to watch 2 or 3 different ones to get mine to work just right. So I just figured for us, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to turn this Schoology class, which is going to be my 4th marking period class here in 2021, I'm going to turn it into where there's a digital classroom showing at the top of the page above all the materials. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you that I used Google Draw. I can create another video later. You can use Google Draw or Google Slides. It works, but I created this, and then of course I have these all hyperlinked so that when the kids use them, they can come in, they can click on my Zoom, whatever. I have my dog make announcements and all that good stuff. You don't have to use Bitmojis, you don't have to do any of that, but what I can do is I can turn this Google Draw into my digital classroom, and anytime I want to make changes, I just have to come back to my Google Draw slide and make changes here, and it stays in my Schoology class until I remove it. And I don't have to worry about making changes in Schoology, I just have to make changes here in Google Draw. And the same would work for Google Slides. So let me show you how I take this over to Google Draw. I'm sorry, take this over to Schoology in a couple of easy steps. Before I do that, let me show you real easy. So basically, I changed classes every marking period. So I'm going to change my Zoom link for a number of reasons. But all I do is highlight these pictures. These pictures are all individual pictures, right? Go up here to the hyperlink section, and I can paste that in. And then if something were to ever happen, you know, like we get Zoom bombed and all that, you know, your Zoom gets out there, I can come here and change it, and I don't have to worry about Schoology. I just update it here in Google Draw, and the kids don't notice any change, which is nice, because once you teach them where to go, you don't want to have to go back. So the first thing I'm going to do, and go back and, you know, reteach them something else, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit share. Now for me, I share it only to Capital School District. Because I don't want them using their personal ones. So I change this to Capital School District, and I hit copy link. All right. Now I'm going to come back over here into Schoology. Now here's where the videos get different out on the, you know, the World Wide Web. I'm going to add a page. Don't worry, we're going to delete it. So you can just, I always just type in test. It's one of those things. And I leave it there. I'm then going to come down here to the resource button. And again, this is where the videos would differ, but this I found super simple. Click on Resource, click on Apps. It's going to bring up your Google Drive. Whatever you were last working on generally pops up. I'm going to click Import, the down arrow, and Import Embed. Now when this loads, I like mine to take the full screen at the top, so you're literally just going to click on this orange, click on the little image box here, and I like this size. You can play around with the sizes. I just type in 800 here and then hit tab or anything else, and it will then take care of the other dimension, and then click insert. At this point, scroll down and just hit create. Now, some people, that's all they do. They put digital classroom here and they leave it here. Problem is, that's another click for the kids, right? So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and put it in our updates. So first thing you do is going to click on your page that you created. Okay, and this is what it will look like. This is what I want the kids to see when they come in. I actually want them to see, you know, this above all of my materials. So here's what you're going to do at this point. Start your mouse over here on the right, okay? And you're just going to hold your left mouse button down. If you have a touchpad, then you're going to do the same thing there. Click and drag. Now, I bring it all the way over here, and you see all this stuff that's highlighting blue? I don't want all of that. I just want the box. So I come over to here. I see where it says Project Lead the Way at the top, test, it's highlighted blue. I come back right here until it's no longer blue, and then I let go. You can try to right click, but I just go to the keyboard. Control C on your keyboard, Control C, and then you're going to come down here, scroll down. You're going to click on Updates. You're going to literally either Control V or right click and paste. And then you're going to come here to the little plus button, and as they say, ring that bell. And so when you ring the bell, that puts that update right at the top. So if you're someone that uses daily updates, this isn't going to work for you. If you don't use daily updates, this will work for you. But I can also show you where you can change your daily updates too. You can put it in your digital classroom. Go ahead and click Post. Now at this point, you come back to Materials, because I never go back to the Updates tab again. You go back to Materials, and here you go. Your digital classroom's there. You just click the drop down arrow. You delete that page you created. It's no longer needed. And now your digital classroom's at the top. Now it's bright. It's, you know, whatever colors, whatever things you've made. This is where I would put your daily updates. You know, like for me, I put my dog in when she was a puppy, and I give her a little speech bubble. So like if I wanted a daily update, I would come back here to my Google Draw slide. I would click a call, put in a little call out, and I would just draw, you know, draw a little speech bubble. I would drag it over to Miss Sadie, and I would type in, you know, I don't even know. Daily announcement, because I don't really know what kind of announcements you guys make in your classes, right? You can center it, you know, you can make it a hyperlink, you know, so then if your daily announcements are a certain website, whatever you want it to be, I don't even know. Like I'll just link in a website here, so I can highlight that, right? Click on the hyperlink at the top, paste it in, and actually all I did was grab what is this thing called, class link, just to give you an idea, right? And that's it. I'm done. I updated it. You can come in there and do a daily update. Now watch when I come back here to Schoology. All the kids have to do is refresh, and then there's my daily update, right? So whatever your daily announcement is, and then they can just click on that, and it takes them out. And again, I said all I did was link class link. But that's how easy it is to make those updates. So instead of actually going into Schoology every day, you're just going in and you're hyperlinking or linking whatever that is into your digital classroom. And then when it's done, you just come back to Google Draw here, and I deleted it. And then the next time the kids log in, or the next time they refresh their screen, that announcement's gone. And I just like it because it's bright and you can change it. I can make another video, or it can help you individually if you want to create a Google Draw. It was actually really easy. The Bitmojis were on my phone. All you had to do was sign in to your Bitmoji account on here, and then add the Bitmoji extension. Super simple, and then you get those they're just a copy paste in. That was easier, way easier than I thought it was going to be. But that's how you do it. So if you need any help, shoot me a message, shoot me an email, give me a call, whatever, and I'd be glad to stop by and help you out. Have a great afternoon, y'all. Bye.